Hi everybody, so today I'm going to teach you a really simple method how to remove algae from your swimming pool. It's going to last all season long. You can see my swimming pool here, it's got algae growing. It's just a little bit of algae, but it's still there. I'm going to take care of it right now. So let's get into the garage. I'm Jay, this is Jay's How-To channel. Let's show you how to do that. Okay, so this is just a 2-inch PVC pipe, and this is just a 2-inch piece of copper pipe, and then this is a stainless steel screw. So you can tell it's stainless steel because this one's steel and it's magnetic, and this one is not magnetic, so it's obviously stainless steel. Okay, let's drill a hole in this plastic PVC pipe. The reason I'm using this plastic piece of pipe is to protect my basket. I don't want to get any green corrosion inside the basket on my basket strainer. So, and then here we're going to drill a hole through the copper. Yeah, there we go. And now we're going to come in with a nut driver and screw this in. Make sure you use a stainless steel screw. When you use a steel screw, it will rust. Yeah, this is a little challenging. Okay. Let's get this over to the vise. And we're going to use a ratchet wrench. There we go. I guess I could have used a bigger drill bit. This takes care of it. All right, so there's a copper piece of pipe inside this plastic, and now let's take this out to the strainer basket. Okay, just drop this into the strainer basket and it will take care of the algae for the rest of the season. All right, if you liked my content, please click that like button and subscribe. That's how you get rid of algae in your swimming pool. You will have to use a little bit of chlorine, but you won't have to shock your swimming pool. All right, I appreciate you guys. See you soon.